This is so much food that we bought. Listen to how dead this fucking grocery store is. Satisfying. Oh my god! I just broke an egg!
I have a court hearing with him in like a week about it because he entered my house illegally.
Hey guys, it's my family here. Make sure to subscribe to be a part of the family and comment something down below because I read every single one of my comments. In this video, I forgot to film an intro. Basically, this was filmed over like a month, so I went grocery shopping 3 times in this video, organized my fridge 3 times in this video, so you guys are getting hella content. And I juiced a watermelon for the first time and went to this brand new grocery store that just opened in Calgary. So yeah, enjoy. Also, just got new rims and tires on this baby. If you guys don't follow my Instagram, go follow my Instagram because I explained how I had to get my car towed and then my car tire like almost blew and everything like that, but that's all on my Instagram. I'm always so scared that I'm gonna hit the garage.
5 minutes later.
5-minute drive later, we've made it to my favorite grocery store. Urban Fare, baby. Mila's always on cart duty because I'm too lazy. These slap. I mean smack. 1 cucumber. It's an avocado. Ooh, what the heck? Why are these on sale? 2 lemons for salmon. Lamb. Do you guys like mushrooms? Because like I love mushrooms. I eat them in my spaghetti, just like in omelets and stuff like that. I think they're so good. Alfredo.
She's never had asparagus before. Why?
It looks gross.
It's not.
Cherry tomato. I used to hate tomatoes when I was a kid, but now I like them. But like she doesn't, but she's trying to. But I love. They have to be like the crunchy ones though, or else it's like really gross how it like just squirts in your mouth.
The store, it is
So freaking cool.
pretzel crisp.
More eggs.
Oh my god, they don't have any restrictions on eggs anymore.
Why does that make me happy? That's so weird that they're not having like restrictions on things anymore, really. That's crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna grab 2 because we eat a lot of eggs, like for some reason.
Sour cream.
I've never been into sour cream. I just like don't really like sauce, and like all my friends know that I used to order like junior chickens without sauce or anything like that, but like I just don't like the unnecessary sauce. I make sure that I don't buy any drinks from the store because it forces myself to drink water.
Small crunchy pickles.
Oh my god, you guys know how long I've been looking for yeast because I just want to make my margarita pizza, and I've gone to so many grocery stores and they don't have yeast, and they finally have it back. So it looks like the pandemic is clearly getting better because people stop baking. Wow, look at us buying spices.
Getting some pesto.
We're not gonna go buy anything from the pasta aisle because we keep eating pasta and keep gaining weight. No joke. Like every meal is pasta because we love it.
Oh, bougie. Does your grocery store have lighting under everything? I want to buy this so I can act like I'm in Italy, even though I hate sparkling water.
Tastes like TV static. Only gonna try Dave's Killer Bread because everyone was talking about it. I mean, not everybody, but people talk about it in the States. I never saw it in Canada, so now that it's here, I want to try it. Why am I excited about bread? I don't know. Tomato soup with some grilled cheese. I think so. Tostitos. We just went to my old house to grab my Wi-Fi router and a juicer that I had because I want to make watermelon juice, but I still have the house until October. I still have to pay rent, but I walked in there and the house is like spotless clean. I was like, what the fuck? So I just called my landlord and he's been like nagging me for like the past month and was like, hey, like when are you gonna hire cleaners? When you're gonna hire cleaners? I was like, I'm gonna figure it out. Like I have this house till October, and I was like, don't do it for me. And then I walk in, the house is clean. He must have hired cleaners. So I called him. I was like, hey, like what the fuck? Like why did you hire cleaners and why'd you enter the house without a notice? Because like that's what you have to do. And he was like, yeah, well it's because like the house was smelly, there was garbage in it. And I'm just like, no, like when I moved out of the house, there was nothing inside the house anymore. He's like, yeah, I hired them. And like, and I'm like, well, I don't have to pay for it because I told you no, and like you entered my house without a notice. He's so dumb. Anyways, there's been like a bunch of issues with him and I've been trying to end the lease early, so he's actually like done something illegal now, which was enter my house without a notice. All right, so it's been like 3 weeks since that happened, and I have a court hearing with him in like a week about it because he entered my house illegally. So yeah, Mila just did the dishes, and ew, look at all this gross shit we had in our fridge. We're gonna unpack all the groceries now. When we were stranded in the middle of nowhere, we went to a Walmart because we needed a charger. If you guys follow my Instagram or Snapchat, you guys would know why. But we found this microwave lid and we were like, oh my god, we've been looking for a microwave lid since we moved in. Cute, hey? It's like a little pig. Okay, I'm gonna put the strawberries in here. Forgot my eggies. I just broke an egg. I literally just grabbed it, bro. Y'all, I'm so fucking ripped. Bitch, swear. Wait, why is there? Yo, you're seeing this, right? There's like liquid. Ew. Whatever, still edible. Eggies. So, MTV Cribs tour, fridge style. Whoa. beautiful. Okay, so up here I just have like all the coffee stuff and just milk, cheeses, more cheese and butter. Up here is just all the drinks. So we got some LaCroix, some gross ass shit, Hales, Twisted, pickles because I love me some pickles, mandarin oranges. I love mandarin oranges, strawberries, cherry tomatoes, lots of mushrooms, cilantro in here, egg. I use one of these spinny thingies because I had an extra one for like the lemons, limes, and avocados, and then just the extra eggs here. In here, just like the vegetables, asparagus, cucumbers, lettuce. And down here is like the meats and cheese. And over here, all the condiments, and then all like the jars and stuff. She's just making some tomato soup because we're gonna have tomato soup and grilled cheese. Right now, we making the grilled cheese. Ooh, using the Dave's Killer Bread. It looks so good. We're putting bacon bits and real cheese and the fake shit because you gotta get variety. Oh yeah, let's get that close up. Ooh, oh. Sorry down there. All right, we were just chefing it up and this is our dinner. I only ate breakfast today, so this is kind of odd, but we got some grilled cheese with bacon in it. My attempt at a cheese board, but even though I'm not even trying to make it a cheese board, it's literally just cheese crackers, pickles on a cutting board, you know, some guac and chips and tomato soup. Now we're gonna watch a movie, but I'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
Okay, so I've never used a juicer before. Oh, this lighting sucks. I've never used a juicer before and I just peeled a watermelon. Like, how weird does this look? But I'm gonna try it. Oh my god! Wow! That's amazing! Wow! That's already so much watermelon juice! Oh my god! I love watermelon juice.
Watermelon sugar.
I feel like I'm back in Bali. God, I love watermelon juice. Dinner's ready. She made some shrimp tacos. I'll finish the watermelon juice after. Ew, oh my god. Mustache.
Several days later.
They're so cheap. Bananas. The watermelons are on sale. We need to get some for watermelon juice. We're getting some turkey for some sandwiches. I feel like it'd be really good just like to snack on like turkey and like crackers and tomatoes. I live in Calgary. Come to Urban Fare and get these chips. They're so good. Gotta put the groceries away. Restock the fridge. It's so satisfying. Oh my god. Yeah. So, you know, we got all the coffee, milk, and then we got cheeses and a little apple juice random there, butter, all of our fruit, tomatoes, mushrooms, the goods, restocked everything like that. Got a watermelon to make more watermelon juice. Let's refill the cereal dispensers. Only one of the cereals is left, I think. Boom! We need to get more of this cereal, I didn't realize.
3 weeks later.
Hello everybody, okay, it is literally 2.5 weeks later probably. I haven't gone grocery shopping in a minute, so we're going again. I just woke up. It's 1:49. It's 1:49 p.m. My house is a mess. We don't fucking eat anymore because we have been busy skateboarding. Look at our fridge. Tell me. No eggs, 2 fucking limes, a bunch of shriveled up mushrooms, a couple mandarins, some dog food. What are we supposed to eat? Lettuce and cheese? 2 pieces of bread left, so we're gonna go. Oh my god, it's raining hella. Anyways, we're at Urban Fare again. Cherries.
Stupid.
Tomatoes. An avocado sale. Wow. Oh, there's a thing on it. Thanks. Strawberries. It feels so chill shopping right now because like no one's out because it's so rainy. There's literally like, no one in the store, so I don't feel rushed at all. It feels so nice. Oh, edamame is my baby. Oh my god. This is definitely our biggest grocery run in a minute. All right, so we're going to another grocery store because Urban Fare is like really expensive when it comes to meat, like buying like stuff like that in bulk. So we're going to the Real Canadian Superstore. They just opened a new one downtown like the other day. But this is like the first urban Real Canadian supermarket, so I'm excited to see how it looks.
Do you guys hear that? It is f***ing dead.
Whoa, all the online orders. Listen to how dead this f***ing grocery store is. This, what? It smells so good, smell it. It does. Some frozen watermelon, never seen that before, and a box of chicken breast. I want to start coming here because it's way bigger and way cheaper. Everyone seems so calm here. Yeah, everyone's so calm, nothing's going on. There's no social distancing signs or anything like that. I mean, obviously you social distance, but like, there's no arrows pointing you where to go, which is so cool. That was such a cool grocery store. Like, I'm not going back to Urban Fare. Sorry. That was huge. Yeah. There was nobody there. There was no social distancing things that you had to follow to like go down the aisles. Expensive. It's not expensive and it's fat. They literally just opened the other day though, so. This is all the groceries laid out. Oh my god. This is so much food that we bought. I'm just gonna kind of go through what we got. So we got some shrimp for shrimp tacos and salad rolls. Mozzarella for fucking margarita pizza.
That you had.
We got some LaCroix for her stinky ass who likes LaCroix. Lemon dill hummus, which not mine either. Avocado and lime chips. These are like healthy kind of versions. Some rice noodles for salad rolls. We've been looking for these for like the longest time. Some peas and carrots for chicken fried rice. Frozen strawberries for smoothies. She got some coconut Greek yogurt. This salsa because we eat quite a bit of salsa. This is the best creamer ever. This hazelnut one. Refried beans for tacos. Hemp, yeah, granola. This is just honey and oats. Some more coffee. This is vanilla hazelnut. Vanilla hazelnut coffee is my favorite coffee. Some more butter, tuna because I like to make tuna, mayonnaise, and pepper and salt and then put it on like lettuce to make like lettuce wraps. I don't know. It's like a really easy snack. Some cheese. Got some sweet basil for margarita pizzas. Just some more lettuce. Lots of eggs because we go through so many. English muffins. Dave's Killer Bread. Edamame because this is a really good snack just with some soy sauce. Little tortillas. Mushrooms. Potatoes for hash brown, lots of oven roasted turkey, 500 grams because we eat a lot of this just with like wraps and stuff like that. A lot of avocados because they were on sale and then some green apples to snack on. Got this Holy Napoli margarita pizza that's frozen. I just want to try it because I've never seen like an authentic frozen margarita pizza. She got some toasted coconut granola bars and then we got some more cereal just to fill up the cereal dispenser. This is vanilla almond. This is so good. Got some watermelon that's frozen because I don't know, I've never seen that. It's pretty cool. Orange juice and apple juice for smoothies. Some more oat milk because that's all we drink. I hate dairy. Just some blueberries for little Sterling because the groomer shaved his head off and he looks like a rat and I've been researching how to grow his hair back because there's a high chance that he's gonna start balding and I don't want that. So yesterday you're a dumbass. What did you do? You're a dumbass. So yesterday we went to the pet store. I bought a bunch of like fish oils and antioxidants and like all this shit for him because I don't want him to bald. Some strawberries, some cherries. You know what the some tomatoes. These are the best chips ever. These are from Urban Fare, but they're so good. They're way better than any nacho chip. A bunch of Boom Chicken Pop because it was on sale and this is my shit. Some more pretzel chips because this is just good to snack on. Edamame for the fried rice. Tortillas for some wrap. I got this, holy crap, apple cinnamon super seed blend just to put this in oatmeal. So like that, really good healthy fat. Steel cut oats. Some tomatoes for our sandwiches. Bananas. 2 cucumbers and some grapes. So I'm gonna put most of this in the fridge and then I will organize the fruits.
Filling up the cereal dispenser. Wow, satisfying. Got these nasty ass mushrooms.
Sterling, you're so cute now. Low-key.
Yeah. You know, like, for example, pugs. It's like, you know they're ugly, but they're ugly, they're cute. But like Post Malone. You're fucking lying.
That wasn't very nice.
I'm right. Post Malone's not
his
like...
personality
No,
is so adorable.
Eggy time.
What is the point of these? Can someone tell me? Why the f are I got a cracked egg. Alright, let me put this all in the fridge. I just made some salad rolls. We're gonna eat and then I'll show you guys the fridge tour. Okay, I just tinted my eyebrows. Well, they're tinting right now, so that's why they look gross. But I'm gonna show you guys the fridge.
Oh my god, fridge tour again.
Wow. Wow. Look, we got all assortments of fruits and veggies, eggs. I already explained this previously, but we are stocked. I'm excited to just eat food constantly. I've been posting on my Snapchat a lot lately, like a lot. It's like a spam account basically because I say everything that I want on my Snapchat. So if you guys haven't added me on there yet, add me. And I also post quite a bit on my Instagram and reply to a lot of my DMs. So follow me on Instagram if you guys haven't already. That's where I kind of engage with you guys the most. I also read every single one of my comments on my YouTube, so comment something down below because I read every single one of my comments. And subscribe if you guys haven't already because I know a lot of you guys watch my videos but don't subscribe and don't realize that you guys don't subscribe. So subscribe. And yeah, until next time, peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.